And now we are in Candi Surawono, Kediri, where all the relics of the Hindu, it's all here. It is believed that it has been built in 1390, the 14th century, and has finished building in the year 1400. See all these stones, ancient stones. You can see here as well, stones. But the signboard says Surawana, so actually it's Surowono. So people here has been protesting about the name of the place. Actually it's Surowono, not Surawana. And this is the temple of Surowono. All the relics, the Hindu. It's built during the kingdom of Majapahit. You can see the stone carving. It has some elements of Hindu. So these are the relics, the stone. The stone carving. And during the Majapahit Kingdom, the kingdom was one of the top kingdom in the world, one of the strongest. We have all the stones, the relics. So all these are part of this building. The pieces are all scattered all over the place. These are the remnants, these are the remaining stones. Actually, it's part of this building. We're gonna have a look. So, for example, this one, some Hindu design. There are lots of them. And basically, this Candi, this temple, this Hindu temple, is actually just the base. The top part is all destroyed. So what we left back is just the remainder, the remnants of the base of the Candi Surawana. Okay, I think that's all about this place. We're gonna head to another place. Kita udah ada lagi ke tempat lain. Okay, so that's the end of Kediri. So thank you, Rifan, for bringing us around. I see you next time.